Welcome back, travel enthusiasts. Are you planning a 2-week trip but dreading the hassle of packing? Or are you tired of struggling with overpacked suitcases and heavy bags when traveling? Say goodbye to bulky suitcases and say hello to stress-free travel. In today's video, we will show you how to efficiently pack a carry-on suitcase for your 2-week adventure. By the end of this guide, you'll become a packing pro and enjoy the freedom of traveling light. Let's get started. Before we dive into the techniques of packing efficiently, let's talk about the benefits of traveling light and using a carry-on suitcase. By avoiding checked luggage, you'll save time at the airport, eliminate the risk of lost baggage, and have the freedom to move swiftly during your trip. Plus, no more backaches from lugging heavy suitcases. Now, let's explore the step-by-step process of packing your carry-on for a 2-week journey. Step 1. Make a packing list. The first step is to create a comprehensive packing list. Plan your outfits for each day, keeping in mind the weather conditions and activities you'll be undertaking. Aim for versatility and select clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. Don't forget your must-have toiletries, medications, and accessories. Using a list will ensure you don't overlook any essentials and prevent overpacking. Step 2. Choose the right suitcase and organizers. When it comes to selecting a carry-on suitcase, opt for one with ample storage space and compartments. Look for a lightweight yet durable option that meets the size requirements of your airline. Additionally, investing in organizers such as packing cubes, shoe bags, and toiletry pouches can work wonders in maximizing space and keeping your belongings tidy. Step 3. Roll your clothes and use packing cubes. To save space and minimize wrinkles, roll your clothes instead of folding them. This technique not only maximizes your suitcase's capacity but also makes items easily accessible. You can take it a step further by using packing cubes. These nifty organizers not only divide your clothes into categories but also compress them, saving even more space. Roll, pack, and organize, it's that simple. Step 4. Smart packing strategies. Now it's time for some smart packing strategies. Utilize every nook and cranny of your carry-on. Stuff socks, belts, and other small accessories in your shoes. Place heavy items, like shoes or toiletry bags, at the bottom of the suitcase to prevent it from tipping over. Pack your bulkiest clothing items first, then fill the gaps with rolled garments and lighter items. Remember, strategic packing is the key to fitting everything you need. Step 5. Layer and separate with clothing. To make the unpacking process easier and keep your clothes wrinkle-free, use garments as layers and separators. Lay a shirt or a dress flat, then stack other clothing items on top. This technique not only creates a protective layer but also prevents clothes from moving around and getting wrinkled. Use the same method with pants, skirts, or any other pieces. By the time you reach your destination, your clothes will be as neat as when you packed them. And there you have it, fellow travelers. By following these packing tips, you'll be able to fit 2 weeks' worth of essentials into your carry-on suitcase with ease. No more excessive baggage fees or waiting at baggage claim. Remember, efficiency and organization are the keys to stress-free travel. Thanks for watching and happy packing!
To further enhance your skills and knowledge, try to check the links below. Happy learning and be motivated.